Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Lukman. Welcome to FXTM's market update, and today's Tuesday, the 3rd of November. Now, there's so much volatility in the markets right now. The Fed surprised most with their hawkish FOMC statement last week, which resulted in dollar bulls gaining control. Now, this week is a week of PMIs in which on Monday we saw Asian equities receive a dent when Asian manufacturing PMI printed below the 50 level. This was followed with the European PMI for the UK, which surprised most and printed at 55.5. But unfortunately, the day ended when manufacturing PMI for the States printed just above the 50 level, signaling a potential slowdown in the United States. So the main focus today will be the manufacturing PMI, which would be released in the European session for the pound. Now, the pound has already been on a roll from the positive news release we had yesterday. If today's predictions exceed expectations, we may see the pound rally across the board. As of now, the main focus this week for the pound will be the BOE press conference, which will be on Thursday. Even though most already understand that the probability that the UK will raise rates in 2015 are low, if today's positive release beats expectations, then we may see a situation where an additional BOE press member may join Ian McCarthy on his hawkish stance on raising UK rates next year. The main focus this week still remains the NFP, which will be on Friday. So now we've covered the fundamentals, let's take a look at the technicals. As the main focus this week will be NFP, I think it will be great if we look at the euro dollar. Now, the euro dollar is technically bearish on a daily time frame. Prices are trading below the 20 simple moving average and the MACD has already crossed to the downside. I believe as long as prices can stay below the 1.10 resistance, we may see a further decline to the downside. Another pair that I find of interest, of course, would be the pound US dollar. The pound US dollar as of now looks technically bullish, but for this to be validated, we need to see a breakout above the 155 resistance, which will take us to the next relevant resistance at 156. Taking a look at the commodities right now, gold has had a sharp change of polarity. This once precious metal, which was fundamentally bullish, has now turned heavily bearish. If prices continue holding the same momentum, we may see gold decline to the next relevant support at 1120. So that's it for now, guys. Until next time. Check out the FXTM Market Research Division on the FXTM page for more live feeds and reports on the markets. If you're on the go, follow us on Twitter for more live developments on the FX and equity markets. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channels for more live feeds on the FX markets on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Thank you.